what? It is over with. Finally got all the body work and all that and metal work all done in there. It's got one coat of primer on there, but I'm gonna let the boys do 2 or 3 coats on there. They wanted to do something in the garage. They've just been watching me. So just gonna get a video of them just priming it. Just keep it simple. So let's get at that.
Sometimes I swear but fall asleep singing songs in my head just to drive away the demon, to push aside any negative feelings.
Well, he actually did pretty decent. We got the last finished coats on there. Good job, boys. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Vincent, say hi. Where's your mustache at? They preoccupied with the puddle over there. But yeah, I'm gonna get it unwrapped and just show you guys what it looks like and all that in a minute. Looks pretty good. Good job, Aaron. Good job. Yeah, came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. He wetted out the last coat. As you can see right here, the reflection, it's laid out pretty good. I'm gonna take off the paper in a second. In fact, I think I'll do that right now. And bam. See that? It used to be a big old hole there. I got the contour to match all the other stuff. But yeah, I think we are done for today. You know, I gotta spend the rest of the time with the family. It's still early right now. Been at this for several hours. But yeah, stay tuned for the next stuff, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Bear with me because I'm not good at making videos and trying to juggle the family and working 2 jobs. It's difficult. But thank you for staying tuned. Catch you later. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Little guy don't want to say bye. All right, see ya.
So then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all the good times and I